Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to customize task priorities on ClickUp. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's get started. First up, launch ClickUp and navigate to your task list. This is where all your tasks live, and prioritizing them here can save you a ton of time down the road. The reason we start here is to ensure we're working with our actual tasks and not just hypotheticals. Now that we've done that, click on the task you want to prioritize. A sidebar will appear on the right side. Look for the priority field. This is where we'll be making our changes. We do this because ClickUp allows us to set priorities for each task, letting us decide what needs our attention first. Next, click on the priority field. A drop-down menu will appear with 4 options: urgent, high, normal, and low. Choose the one that fits best. This helps us because it gives a visual indicator of how urgent each task is, keeping us on track and focused on what matters most. Let me explain why this matters. By setting priorities, we create a hierarchy of tasks. This helps us manage our time effectively and ensures that we're always working on the most important things. Finally, once you've chosen a priority, click Save Changes. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. ClickUp is saving your preferences and will now display this priority level next to the task in your task list. To wrap it all up, customizing task priorities on ClickUp is all about saving time and increasing productivity. By setting clear priorities, you ensure that your most important tasks always get the attention they deserve. Remember, a well-prioritized task list is a well-managed task list. Thanks for watching.